Hi, this is Becca. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really simple, safe, non-toxic detangling spray. Thanks for joining me. I have a beautiful little girl in my life with curly hair. She obviously didn't get it from me, but she got it from somewhere, and it's been curly ever since she's had hair. Now it's not super curly all over. It's actually kind of straight on top, and she has beautiful curly tendrils. It's kind of perfectly curly, but she needs her hair detangled and brushed every single time she lays down on it. That has in the past included after naps and in the morning. It's a little bit of a chore to take care of, and she doesn't want it cut. She wants it long like Rapunzel, but we've got to do something about that hair. So years ago, I used to buy detangling spray from the store, and she hated it. It was irritating to her. It smelled gross. It would literally make her cough. Getting her hair sprayed, she's coughing, and she's like, "Mommy, it's not good." She could taste it because she wouldn't keep her mouth shut. So I thought there's got to be a better way to get this done without making her sick, without making her feel yucky. So I did a little research, and I found that detangling spray is basically diluted conditioner. That's all it is. So all you need to make your own is a really good quality conditioner and some water and the spray bottle to put it in. So I found a really good quality conditioner from Young Living, and it's the Lavender Mint is the one I have chosen. Lavender Mint Daily Conditioner. This is made to be used in the shower every day, but it makes a really great detangling spray. So obviously it has lavender and mint essential oils in it. It is water-based, but it has glycerin in it, and it has some other essential oils and some other carrier oils. So it's actually really healthy for her skin, and it doesn't irritate her, which is really the most important thing. Now, this stuff is really heavy duty. It's really thick and creamy. So I remove the cap completely when I'm making my detangling spray, because otherwise it's just too difficult to get it to come out. So I've got my conditioner. I've got some water. Now what have I got here? I've got about 3/4 of a cup. And I've got my bottle to store it in. We recycled our old bottle. We just put stickers on it to make it fun. Now this has a little bit of water in it. This is a 10-ounce bottle. So I make a 10-ounce batch at a time and then put it into a smaller bottle with a better pump. So this is simply a storage system. You could use whatever you have. I just wanted to recycle. Now the other thing I add to my detangling spray is tea tree oil. Now tea tree oil is excellent for scalp health. Plus she's a school-age child, so it's not a bad idea to get some tea tree on her scalp before she goes to school every day. If you want to know why, you can look into that yourself, because I'm not at liberty to say. So all you need for 10 ounces is between 1 and 2 tablespoons. Now, since, like I said, this is really thick and globby, I kind of eyeball it. See if I can get it to come out at all. Oh yeah, it's coming. You'll be able to see how thick and creamy this stuff is. Oh, there goes the blob. So you can probably imagine that it makes a really great conditioner for you too, even if you're not using it in a spray. Come on. Oh, there goes some more. That's about a tablespoon, I think. Let's see if I can get a little more to come out. Woo, here it comes. There it goes. All right. Now it's flying everywhere. We've got conditioner everywhere. See, you got some blobs in there. And it's probably fine. Like I said before, doesn't have to be accurate, doesn't have to be precise. 1 to 2 tablespoons per cup is good. So I'm going to add about a drop per ounce of the tea tree oil. It's just a little bit. Like I said, there's lavender and peppermint in this one already, in this conditioner already. So that's going to do her some good anyway. Now, all I have to do, if I can get conditioner on my fingers, is take a whisk and whisk it together. See, it's starting to come together already. This is such a simple recipe. It actually really annoyed me when I found out how easy it was to make this myself. I felt like I was getting ripped off in the store. I hate paying for water. I hate paying for things that are already diluted when I can buy a concentrate, because you're just paying for water. All right, that's it. I'm gonna pour it into my bottle. Got a little on my finger still. I'm just gonna pour it into my bottle. And then I'm gonna shake it up real good. Fill her up. So if you own a measuring cup or a glass cup of any kind, and you own a whisk, then you can do this, right? How easy was that? Put the cap on. I'm gonna shake it, make sure it's really well combined. I also shake before I spray on a regular basis. Sometimes it separates a little bit, but no big deal. So there you have it. DIY conditioner, DIY detangling spray that you can do yourself any day of the week. I know you got this one.